Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. In this part, we will discuss mainly two basic things. The first one is how to save the Inkscape document into any location we want, and the second one is how to reopen the saved document with Inkscape to make further amendments to the project. Stay tuned. Now all those things have practically been gone right over here now. First of all, let me uncheck this checkerboard background, and we do not wish to have any kind of element right over here. If we just draw something like this one, and if we head back to this file, the first thing that we are going to do, we need to save our document into our project. This is the first obvious thing that we need to do. We need to know how to save our document and in which format. So all we need to do, head back to file, then go to this save as, or you might click this save, then it will be saved in a default document of inkscape.svg actually. But we'll be heading back to this save as, and we can see that this is the name of the file that you may customize. Like for the present moment, we might use it as the box. So we are saving this document, saving this element as a name, the box.svg, and we can see that this is the inkscape.svg here. So if we save it, it will be saved to this individual Destiny folder that I have chosen for it, but you may change this Destiny folder. All you need to do, you might click on this up one level, or you might change something from here into a different location. So the saving thing entirely depends upon you, where we practically wish to save our document. So this is the file name, the box, save as type Inkscape SVG. You might save it as a plain SVG, or you might use something other that goes suitable for you. But if we are talking about making changes into our Inkscape document, then all we need to do, we need to save as this Inkscape SVG. Here it goes, the box.svg. Now let's save it. So we have saved it as the name of the box. Now if we head back to the folder where it was saved, we can see that the box.svg is been saved right over here. If we left click on it, left double click on it, first of all, we can see that this is practically the box which has been created by us. We have saved this document as it is right now. This is the first thing. But if we want to make changes to this individual document, let's close Inkscape, and now if we right click on it, open with, and this is the Inkscape vector graphics editor. So we are practically opening up this the box.svg with the Inkscape vector graphics editor. Just click on it, and we can see that the box is now back with all the elements present on this document properties. So this is how we may save our element. We may save our document as an Inkscape document, and we may reopen it as it was. We can make any kind of changes into it, and we can make additions into it. So this is it up to this tutorial. In the next part, we will be knowing how to export them, how to export this individual doc as a PNG image into our project. Stay tuned for the next video.